Today we are going to be making an origami tank with its tracks and an extendable barrel. And you can take the barrel all the way out and then put it back in. And then it'll be a little portable because then it'll be able to go really far in. So, you can do this with regular origami paper or you can do it with printer paper. I'm going to do the printer paper after I show you with the origami paper. You're going to need a flat edge or a ruler, and you will need some sort of knife or razor, and if you are not allowed to use it, you can ask your mom and dad to help you. So, fold the piece of paper like this. Oh, and you can also cut it instead of using a knife. You can cut it with scissors. And then unfold it again. Then you get the knife or scissors. Ruler. And the ruler. You line it up with the crease line. And you go down. I like to score it and then rip it. I don't want to cut all the way through it, but I'm going to start with a little rip at the top. And then I'm going to start to go down and it makes a really clean cut. With scissors, you don't have to do this, you just cut. But I like to use a knife. There you go. And you have two somewhat even sides. You can put this side to this side, and then get this. Turn it to the other side to where the white is. Unless you want the white showing on the tank. And then you fold this. After that, you fold like a trapezoid. The same thing on this side too. And then you have the little X's on each side. Now here's a little part that's a little confusing. Get this, you fold it down to there, fold it down to the middle, and then put it back. So it will look kind of like that. Let me show you again. You'll make a little crease right there. You go like that. And then do the same thing on the other side to create a little triangle. And same thing with this side. There you go. If I'm going a little too fast, you can slow down the video in the settings. But fold this side inward to where the crease is right there. And then fold it to where the crease line where you folded it before is. So it's a little tiny box like that. Now same thing with the other side. Now, go over here. Just do this to one side. Fold the corner of the triangle up like that. Keep it there. Same thing with the other side. Cut to this side. Get this. Fold it up. Fold the sides up. So it's kind of like that. Then turn to the other side. kind of fold that, and then kind of fold that, so you can be like this. Now fold that down to right there. This is also another confusing part. You get this, you slide it into there, and then fold these down on top of it, so it'll look like that. After that, fold these, take them, fold them under this, so that it's like that. Flatten that. You fold the tip down just a little bit so that it can dig under there, and then go like that. So right now we're done with this piece of paper. Go here. You can take a straw, but it would work better if you used with printer paper. If you use printer paper, it's easier to do a straw, but you can also do it like this. You will need scissors if you're using scissors. You'll need scissors to cut a square. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then put that to the side. And then you will also need a little bit of tape. So we got this. You fold it in half like that. And then from there, you go tiny little folds, tiny little rectangular folds, until you get to the end, like that. And then you get the tape. With the tape, just need a little bit. And put the tape away. If it unrolled, roll it back again. Put the tape right there. Okay. And then you get the tape. You tape it so that it won't unroll. Now you get your best side, like right there. This side isn't my best side, so I can slide it into, that part can slide into the tank. So I get the tank back. I get this. You can pull that up a little, this flap thing where you put the flaps under. When the flaps got untucked. So tuck that back in. Put it right there where that opening is. Just slide it in. And then you got your tank. But if you want your tracks to be really big, go right here and you lift it up and you can push down like that. It works better with printer paper.